Level up your Apex Minecraft server and transform your multiplayer experience with custom content and features by learning how to install mods. First things first, head over to the Apex hosting website and log into your account. Locate your server using your unique server IP, which you can find in your server panel. Once logged in, navigate to your server panel. We need to make sure your server is offline, so click the Stop Server button. This ensures a smooth mod installation. Now, go to the Modpacks section. Apex Hosting offers a wide variety of pre-configured modpacks, but for this tutorial, we're going to install custom mods. Change your server profile to one that suits your modding needs. You can typically choose a server profile that supports modded games. Next, access your server's files via FTP File Access by clicking on the FTP File Access button. This will allow you to upload your mods. Inside the FTP File Access, you'll find your server files. You'll need to locate the mods folder. If it doesn't exist, you can create a folder and title it exactly mods. Now, download your desired mod files from a trustworthy source like CursorForge. All mods need to be compatible with the versions of Minecraft and Forge you've chosen. Drag and drop those jar emoji files into the previously found mods folder. Head back to your Apex server panel and click the Start button to restart your server. It will automatically load the mods you have uploaded. Once the server is back online, join with the Minecraft client and experience the newly added mods. Explore custom features and content. Enjoy your enhanced multiplayer experience.